Theoretical calibration of system. Access the setup menu of the instrument. Const item appear first. This is the main menu that allows you to set up the main parameters of the instrument that will enable you to carry out the theoretical calibration of the system. Such parameters are total load capacity of the cells, average sensitivity, resolution, relevant parameters to manual tearing and the two multi-range fields if available. Record the capacity and the sensitivity of each load cell before proceeding. Capac parameter has to be set up first. Enter the total sum of the capacities of the load cell of which the system is made up. In the Sensit menu, the average sensitivity must be entered, which is calculated on the basis of the sensitivities of all the load cells. In the Resol menu, you determine the minimum resolution of the instrument. Next menu is PR load that you are not going to set up right now, as it will be set up later. After you have set up these parameters, you can exit the menu pressing the left arrow key until Store appears. Then confirm using PRG in order to save and store the changes that have been carried out. After you have come back to the displayed weight, the calibration is set up in a theoretical way. The displayed weight is that of the structure. Enter this value in the PR load parameter in order to reset it, zeroing the displayed weight. The instrument has been set up. Actual calibration. Certified sample masses or pre-weighting material are required in order to carry out the calibration of the MC315 with the sample weight. Access the setup menu pressing the PRG for 2 seconds. After const item has been displayed, press the down arrow key in order to view calib. This is the menu in which the calibration will be carried out. Present value of the weight on the weighting structure is displayed when you press the PRG. This value is alternated with the word cal. Zero calibration is the operation that you have to carry out first. Make sure that the system is completely unloaded and press 0. Then the operation is finished. Load the system with the sample masses or the pre-weighting material in order to carry out the calibration with the sample weight and wait until the weight is stabilized. It is possible to view the stable weight using the LED, which is displayed over the display on the right side. Once the weight is stabilized, its value is displayed. Such value is alternated with the word cal. Press Tail and enter the correct value. It is possible to cancel a wrong entry pressing CRL if an error occurs. Press ORG in order to confirm. Press CRL once more in order to go back to the calib menu. Press the left arrow key in order to exit the menu. When Store appears, press PRG to confirm and save and store the changes that have been carried out. The weighting system has been correctly calibrated. Don't forget to follow us through our social media campaigns and access our site pavonesistemi.com.